Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, I would like us to talk about the natural logarithm. Okay, I would like us to talk about the natural logarithm. So, one thing you should know about the natural logarithm is this. If we have the natural log of 1, this equals 0. That's the first thing you need to note. If we have the natural log of e, this equals 1. Why do we say that the natural log of e equals 1? Because the natural log has a base e that is not seen. The same way we have the log of 10 to be 1, there is a base 10 here. So the log of 10 to base 10 is 1. Natural log of e to base e is 1. All right. Another thing we should see here is that if we can write the ln of 5 as log 5 base e, they are the same thing. Still the same thing. So let's solve this few problem we have here for better understanding. And another thing to note before we solve, if we have exponential, the ln of x exponential e, since we say that exponential ln of x base e, since we say that the natural log always come with a base e, this base and this base can cancel out and this equals x. All right, so let's solve these problems with this little explanation. So starting from number 1, clearly number 1 answer, this is the ln of e to power 7. This 7 comes back here to multiply. So from here we have that this is 7 multiplied by the ln of e. But we know that the natural log comes with a base e. So this becomes what? This becomes 7, the ln of e base e. E base what? E. And this is just what? 1, which is us 7. Because the natural log of e to base e gives us 1. So 7 times 1 gives us 7. So question 2. We have this to be exponential, the ln of 8. Clearly, this thing comes with what? A base e. Yes, the natural log has a base e. So how do we solve this? Exponential, the ln of 8 base e, so that the base and the base can cancel out. And we have the answer to be what? 8. Question 3. We have the exponential, the ln of x cubed. X cubed. So this implies that exponential ln of x cubed base e, so that this base cancels out this base and this equals x cubed. Question 4. Exponential 7 ln of y. Now this 7 is going backward. Yes, this 7 doing what? Is going backward. The same way this 7 here enter here. So this 7 here is going backward. And we have the ln of y to base 7. All right. But remember, there's always the base e here. So this e cancels out this e, and our answer becomes y to power 7. All right, let's solve the last question, which is the number 5. Number 5 is exponential log x squared base e. All right, so you can replace this log base e with the natural log. You see the same thing. So what do we have here? This man cancels out this man, and our answer equals x squared. And these are the right answers to these questions. I hope you've learned something. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this, step-by-step topics on mathematics. And remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. There are more videos for you to watch. See you in my next video.